Pieces of the past, now dreams seem to matter. All I ever wanted to be is running away like water. I ask the question, am I tangled in distraction? How can I put it back again? Vicious circles, I hold my weapon. Can you find me a way to reach you? Can you find me a way to understand? I came here on my own, but I don't want to leave alone. Can you find me a way to reach you? Can you find me a way to understand? Can you find me a way to reach you? Can you find me a way to understand? Just give us space, we need space, give us time. Time to find where we Can you find me a way to reach you? Can you find me a way to understand? Can you find me a way to reach you? Can you find me a way to understand?
Englisch, German, Deutsch?
Foto.
Deutsch.
Ja, könnt ihr ein Foto von mir machen?
Ja, ja.
Und zwar am besten so irgendwie, also es wird eh nicht ganz drauf gehen, aber ich werde mich einfach da hinsetzen.
Mit dem
Irgendwie so die Schnauze noch dabei.
Also
Müssen wir gucken.
Sie ist Influencerin, sie kann das gut.
Ich bin auch Influencer.
Ich bin auch Influencer.
Hey, hey, what's happening, everybody? I hope they get my good side. You know I gotta look good when I walk out the house. You know I know the camera's following. I know they taking pictures, right, drama? Hey, hey, man, you watch it, I live it. You dig that? Y'all sit back, relax, get some popcorn, man. I'ma make it a good show. You dig that? gonna make a hell of a movie, huh?
My life, your entertainment. You watch it while I live it. When I walk, they follow. I talk, they holler. Just here for your amusement. My life, your entertainment. You watch it while I live it. You wait for me to lose it. I guess I'm just here for your amusement.
Hey, the price of fame I think I paid. Want my change, I done gave everything in my possession for my seconds on the stage. For my name up in life, in multi-million record sales, I done gave up my life. Can't get a moment to myself. When alone I ask myself, is it worth it? I ain't perfect, neither's anybody else. But I think my kid deserve to be with daddy out in public without all the interruptions. When the lies and gossip's published, I'm the topic of discussion. And I stay in trouble just to show these suckers I ain't lost it. And I do it all again, that's the funny thing about it. I ain't playing, boy, I'm bout it. Will I change? Boy, I doubt it. I done been a lot of things, I ain't never been a coward. See the paparazzi crowded all around me now. Same niggas who was dissing want a pound like I'm C now. Shower with support from my adoring fans. They hear T.I.'s arrested, they like, here we go
My life, your
again.
entertainment. You watch it while I live it. When I walk, they follow. I talk, they holler. Just here for your amusement. My life, your entertainment. You watch it while I live it. You waiting for me to lose it. I guess I'm just here for your amusement.
Hey, you seen it all before, guys. Know how the story goes. Yo, you see the shit that scares the senses, I done lived through it. Knew the risk and the consequences, and I still do it. And then I'm so fresh, them niggas me'll do it. Not just the actor by profession, pimp, I live movies. That's why they whisper when they see me, point and stare at me. Cause they just wanna live through me vicariously. Fashion week in Paris with, party like a rock star. Get blowed by a top model till she catch lockjaw. Got the dough, you get a year stashed in my sock drawer. Showed you the troubles and the struggles of an outlaw. Top dog will not fall, I am not y'all. Couple pages out the calendar and I'm at y'all. Kid, listen, pay attention, you don't wanna be me. It's safer to watch it on TV.
My life, your entertainment. You watch it while I live it. When I walk, they follow. I talk, they holler. Just here for your amusement. My life, your entertainment. You watch it while I'm living. You waiting for me to lose it. I guess I'm just here for your amusement. See, I don't think it would even matter. Working a 9 to 5, would it be better? I mean, be honest, would you care to gossip about me? Not likely, I guess that's just the way that it goes. I could be somewhere, I'm keeping it cool. Almost anything instead of the truth. Y'all know more than I do. It's breaking news to me too. Easy killing, y'all know that ain't how I move. Ooh. He said and she said, I did what with them. No, not me, I said. She gave me no head, won't give me again. I pleaded the fifth. I know better than to ever talk doing the film. Man, and flashing lights can blind your eyesight to where you can't see what's wrong from right. Wish out till you walk a mile in my shoes and understand this is who I am.
Up that I completely concur. Life could be such a blur. Obviously we prefer our privacy, but instead we endure. Yes sir, don't expect nothing less of me, cause this gon' probably be this way until the death of me. But for the hustle and the lady on my arm now, plus all my kids and my moms, I'ma calm down. And yeah, we doing just fine. It's the time just flying. Live one headline at a time.
My life, your entertainment. You watch it while I live it. I walk, they follow. I talk, they holler. Just here for your amusement. My life, your entertainment. You watch it while I'm living. You waiting for me to lose it. I guess I'm just here for your amusement.
Aber man kann vielleicht hinterm Busch, gell? Und dann einfach so halten.
Achtung, sie,
Das wollte ich jetzt nicht verlangen, aber wenn du bis dahin gehst, könntest du sogar alles
sie
draufkriegen.
rennt weg, gell?
Hä?
Sie rennt weg, gell?
Ja, ich habe Motorrad, ich kann hinterherfahren.
10 Minuten vorher wäre es besser gewesen.
Ja, ich bin zu spät los, ich habe mich richtig geärgert.
Echt?
Überraschung, Leute! Die Bombe ist geplatzt. Der Windbreaker, der kommt nicht im Dezember. Er ist ab sofort erhältlich. Und jetzt gebt euch den Porn. Ich rede nicht groß drum rum. Let's go, Shop ist offen.
Get hyper.